Hi you guys, welcome to this week's lunch meal prep video. This week I'm gonna do a healthy keto baked meatballs with spiraled zucchini noodles and a little bit of pasta sauce. So I'll put the recipe for this in the description box if you wanna make these super easy baked meatballs. So I'm gonna use 2 pounds of ground turkey. I have 2 eggs, Parmesan cheese, and almond flour. And if you don't want to make these keto friendly, you can use breadcrumbs if you'd like. And then I'm going to spiral the zucchini. I'm going to add some garlic and herb seasoning for the spiraled zucchini noodles. And this will be a really delicious lunch meal prep for the week, really healthy. So I'll show you how I'm going to do the meatballs. I'm going to bake these in the oven. I have the oven preheating to 350 degrees. And once they're all made up, they will cook for 20 minutes in the oven. Okay, so I have 2 pounds of ground turkey, 1/3 a cup of almond flour, 1/2 a cup of shredded Parmesan cheese. I'm going to use 2 eggs. This recipe is super simple, so I'm going to mix all the ingredients together with my hands so that it's all mixed through, and we will make our baked meatballs. Now I'm going to roll them into little balls for the meatballs, place them on a parchment paper lined cookie sheet. I love using parchment paper because it makes the cleanup super easy. So I'm going to roll these together and we will have our baked meatballs ready to go. So I'm going to put these in the oven at 350 for 20 minutes and our baked meatballs will be ready. So next I'm going to spiral the zucchini. I have this little spiraler and just stick the zucchini in and twist it, and it comes out in little strips like noodles. So I love making zucchini noodles out of this. It is super delicious and healthy. So I'm going to twist 4 zucchinis for this week's meal prep. So I'm going to cook the zucchini noodles on the stove. I have some olive oil in the pan. I'm going to add in the spiraled zucchini noodles, and I'm going to add in some seasoning with it. This is my favorite seasoning, garlic and herb seasoning. It's delicious. So I'm going to sprinkle that in, and I'm going to toss the zucchini noodles around, mix it all together, and let it cook for about 5 minutes, and then the zucchini noodles will be done. Alright, so our baked meatballs have cooled and our spiraled zucchini is ready. So I'm going to portion it into our meal prep containers for the week. So first I'm going to start with the zucchini. I'll add some meatballs and then I'm going to add a little bit of pasta sauce as well. Alright, so our healthy keto lunch is ready to go for the week. I will put the recipe in the description box, so check that out if you want to make this one. Thank you for watching. Leave me a comment if you have any questions, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel so that you don't miss my other weekly meal prep videos. I hope that you have a great day, and I will see you next time. Bye-bye.